to the motor, and then the motor has a cord and it connects to the battery, and then it connects to the robot. That's why I like the battery the mostest.
When we connect two gears with their teeth, they rotate in opposite directions. If two gears are same size and have same number of teeth, they spin with same speed. Example is bicycle. We use metal chains to connect front wheel and back wheel that has same size gears. You pull the back wheel with pedals that will help the front wheel to rotate, and both the wheels go with same speed. If we attach a small gear to a big gear, small gear rotates faster and big gear rotates slower. Example, clock. We have a big gear for hours hand and small gear for minutes hand. Thank you, everyone.
My name is Zenu and I'm in second grade. My favorite part of every robotic part is the hub because it's like the thing that controls like everything.
It gives you air that stores so much electricity to make the fan move.
Very good, very good.
Energy into mechanical power by using electromagnetism. The electrical energy can come from a power supply, like a power outlet or a battery. When the electrical energy moves through the parts of a motor, it creates an invisible force called electromagnetism that can make the motor spin. The spin motor can then be attached to something like a gear, pulleys, wheels, or other mechanical things to do it. Kind of like magic, but it's not. It's actually more like magnets, electromagnets.
Very nice.
The hub. Function. Works like a brain, controls the contraption, allows you to use an iPad to control the contraption. Characteristics. Batteries inside with pads on top. Connection cords where you put the motor and sensors on that can be turned on and off from the iPad.